Hello and welcome back to Valentine's Culinary School. Today I want to talk about wooden bowls, another piece of really high quality or pretty important kitchen gear. Not the first thing you want to buy, obviously. I mean, it's not like having a stock pot or a chef's knife or a chicken fryer slash Dutch oven, but something really helpful to have too. This was mine, which is more like a commercial grade turning you would see from, mass produced out of cherry wood. And when you finish these, if you get them unfinished, you want to seal them with high quality food grade sealers such as beeswax or walnut oil. Do not use olive oil, as olive oil is not a drying oil and it will be sticky forever. You always have to use an oil that dries, and not all oils dry. Notably, olive oil does not. And I use this mostly for making bread, actually. The advantage of wood that it doesn't really allow too many kinds of bacteria or molds to stay on the food. Unlike if you're using stainless steel, it will get wet. The advantage of these things, they dry out. There's a continual wicking away of moisture that you don't get with some other products. So that's more for food preparation. This is really more of a display item. And this is a beautiful turning, which is probably by a local artisan. And looks like it's made out of walnut, looking at the color and grain. Just really nice. And this is like what you want to use for your fruit bowl or any kind of serving vessel. Very useful for a variety of purposes. Keep your onions in there. Anything that you want to keep dry, obviously a wooden bowl is helpful for. Here's an example of a gouged bowl. So this was not done as a lathe like these were, but this is done with a gouge on what looks like a piece of knotty pine, maybe, and just a really beautiful finish too. But here's another great fruit bowl, and it's decorative. Obviously, if you've got this hole in it, it's not going to be good for any liquids, but a really great addition to your kitchen. Obviously not a commercial food kind of item, but happiness is where the heart is, right? Or home is where the heart is. So make your kitchen as beautiful as you might want it to be. If you have a need for a wooden bowl, do your research. Try and find something that'll work well for you, and it can last you for many, many years. May you be well and eat well. May you be blessed. I'll see you in the next video.